I think it's high time that Monday Okpebolo and our traditional houses in Edo, most especially our own Omoba, Nedo, Uku, Okpolokpolo, called these Igbanke Enogis to order. Whatever Obaseki tried to achieve in the past has failed, and things should be fixed. How can these clueless Enogis agitating to be added to infested IPOB and ESN criminal regions? Even the Anioma traditional rulers are against the Southeast, but this inferiority complex ignoramus are dragging them to where insecurity is highest. Even the Igbo people are running to Asaba because their region is no longer viable. Igbanke youth and our brother traditional rulers in Edo State needs to call these people to order now. Enough of the embarrassments. After Igbanke Kings visited Senator Ned Nwoko some time ago, this idiot made these comments on Facebook. He made that comment in a Bini owned page. That page is where Bini people vent their anger. You know what he be say? Something they vex you where you just get place where you go talk that to make you come up for your mind. Now waiting this person just do. Any Bini person that is still calling the obese of Igbanke as an oge, that Bini person is an Ozwai. Bini people are calling them chiefs instead of kings that they are. The idiot said that is his own father that is clueless and not the obese of Igbanke people. He's calling on Monday Okpebolo. What did Monday Okpebolo want to do? Monday Okpebolo cannot do anything. Nigeria is a democracy. People will say where they want to belong. If Igbanke people say that they don't want to remain in Edo State, that they want to join Anioma State, Okpebolo cannot stop it. The Oba of Benin cannot stop it. He's saying Igbanke youths should call their obese to order. Which Igbanke youth won't come out, they tell Igbanke King say, may they give up on Anioma State, say they not be Igbo people. That Igbanke youth they crease. To come tell Igbanke King say, may they give up on Anioma State, may they stop to they call themselves Igbo. Say that they fear who? Who be that person where you want make Igbanke people they fear? Make we not identify as Igbo, they will come beat us, they will come kidnap us, they will come arrest us. Who be that person? The idiot said that the Southeast is an IPOB infested region, an ESN infested region. Is ESN killing people? No. Is IPOB killing people? No. These are the propaganda that Benin people are spreading. They are telling Anioma people that, Anioma people, Igbo people, we use IPOB to take your land. They will take your throne. They will start ruling you people. They will start making laws for you people. Don't join them. They will be killing you people the way they are killing their people in the Southeast. They will start saying all sorts of rubbish, trying to turn we Anioma people against our brothers in the Southeast. IPOB don't kill people. ESN don't kill people. Benin people have been propagating that ESN have chased so many Igbo communities away. IPOB have chased so many Igbo communities away. Igbo people are now refugees in Cameroon. Igbo people have run to other countries seeking for refuge. All those things are propaganda by these Ile Ibinu people. Their agenda is to cause enmity between we Anioma people and our brothers in the Southeast. IPOB don't kill people. ESN don't kill people. Cultism is killing Benin people in Edo State. They will not talk about it. Na Igbo be their problem. He's saying that Igbanke Kings should be called to order. Who be that idiot who won't call Igbanke Kings to order? Make thunder fire that person. You won't call people where we say Oba of Benin command them from their throne to order. You must be very stupid. This is why I said that this is the only place that Benin people will come and vent their anger. Governor Okpebolo cannot do anything. When the creation of Anioma State comes, say they don't create Anioma State, boundary adjustment will be done, and the entire Ika people in Edo State, the indigenous Igbo people in Edo State, they will leave Edo State through boundary adjustments. If not referendum, they go do referendum. Of course, you know that no reasonable person go want to remain for that Edo State where we say, since the indigenous Igbo communities were being zoned to Edo State, they don't have lights, no development, no good road, nothing. Their community is backward. They should call Igbanke Kings to order. All the kings in the Igbanke community are telling the world that they are Igbo people, that they want to join their brothers in Anioma land, that they want to coexist with their Igbo brothers in the Southeast, and you Benin people are crying. Why you be say you Benin people are not just good, agent of disunity, agent of destruction? Now so this Igbanke issue they pay on a reach. Igbanke King go see Senator Ned Nwoko on a pint begin tear. Obi anolobo no. The Bini person said that Anioma traditional rulers don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast. It's a lie. All the traditional rulers in Oshimiri and Anyocha land want Anioma state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. Our traditional rulers in Okwane land, our Opalukus, they are in support of Anioma state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. The OPs in Ika land, they want Anioma state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. Now only Asaba of Asaba and they of Aba, they say they don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast, so that they want us to remain in the South. As if now then they rule we Okwane people. The Asaba of Asaba is not the one to speak up for we Anioma people. He's not the one to tell us the geopolitical zone that we are supposed to be. The Asaba of Asaba is only the king of Asaba. In power no pass Asaba. The day of Abo, he's only the king of Abo kingdom. Abo is just one community in Nika land. The power of the day of Abo ends in Abo community alone. In power no enter our kingdom. You no enter Umunede kingdom. You no enter Igbanke community. So we not gonna allow only two people to determine for we Anioma people our future. Anioma kings don't want to join the South. Only Asaba of Asaba and day of Abo. Do you know how many kings that we have in this Anioma land? Anioma state agitation is 88 years now. And we will not allow the opinion of anybody to stop we Anioma people from getting Anioma state and joining our brothers in the Southeast. The reason why Benin people sent those letters to Igbanke community is to turn Igbanke kings against each other. Trying to convince them, for them to give up on their Igbo identity and for them to give up against Anioma state creation. But they failed because we got that information in time and spread the information on social media, telling the world the evil plans that these Benin people have against Igbanke people. And after we did that, Benin people did not come back to Igbanke community for that meeting. Agent of disunity, agent of darkness, evil people, looking for people to destroy, looking for people to disunite, looking for where to cause confusion. The kings of Igbanke people thought say the Igbo people, e dey pain una. Igbanke people thought say the Igbo people, e dey pain una. Benin people are saying that Igbanke land belongs to the Oba of Benin. I beg Oba of Benin go pursue them, make we see now. Go and chase Igbanke people away from their land. IPOB is killing Igbo people. ESN is killing Igbo people. How many Igbo people you don't see come out the toss IPOB and ESN they kill them? This is the propaganda that you people are spreading, trying to tarnish the image of the Southeast. The Southeast is the most peaceful region in Nigeria. The most peaceful geopolitical zone in the entire Nigeria is the Southeast. Go and verify. Go to Benin Kingdom. Cultism. Every night cultism they kill Benin people. They're not going to talk about them. Edo State is not even safe for Edo people. Fulani herdsmen have been killing Benin people. Benin speaking communities, Fulani herdsmen, they kill them. Waiting about Benin don't talk about them. Have about Benin ever come out and make a statement telling Fulani people to stop killing their people, or else they will react? You know, go talk like that. Now Igbanke be in problem. How to claim Igbanke community? How to take Igbanke land? And that one be in problem. Benin person be say your own place not dey safe for them. They thought say Southeast is not safe. Igbo people are running to Asaba because their region is not safe. Propaganda, does it? Just imagine which kind of propaganda you want spread where we not go counter. The Southeast is not safe, yet the Southeast is the most fastest developing region, single-handedly built in Nigeria. Which people are building their region in this country? It's in the Igbo. You go fit compare Benin City to Oka with Anambra State? No. Can you compare Benin City to Enugu? No. Can you compare Benin City to Umuahia? No. Can you compare Benin City to Abakaliki? No. Can you compare Benin City to Owerri? No. If to say there is insecurity in the Southeast, will those cities develop to that extent? No. Igbanke people make another giant Southeast. IPOB and ESN go kill una. IPOB and ESN are not killing anybody. The Southeast is the most peaceful geopolitical zone in Nigeria. Igbanke people are proud of their Igbo identity. They want to join Anioma state through boundary adjustments. So, you Benin people, if you people like, make una dey online dey back, make una dey cry, make una commit suicide, make una kill una self, Anioma state must be created and zoned to the Southeast. If una like, All those our Anioma people wey not get sense, where they follow you Benin people, they fight in the Igbo unification movement, they talk rubbish online, they have no say. Once Anioma state is being created, all of them are going to the southeast, whether they like it or not. So you Benin people, your backing ends online, your backing ends in the comment section. Igbanke kings are proud of their Igbo identity. Igbanke people are proud of their Igbo identity. We Anioma people, we are proud of our Igbo identity, and there is no amount of propaganda that you people will share that will fly. Your backing ends in the comment section. Igbo bofu, Anioma state is a go, and there's nothing Benin people can do about it. Ishiewale.